My name is Chemi Yisa. I am one of the project managers for the team. Picture yourself a young graduate that just landed your first adult job. Sounds wonderful, doesn't it? Not really. You are having to pay back thousands of dollars in student loans in addition to your recurring bills. Any plans to purchase a home, embark on an investment is put on hold. Online financial resources are daunting, intimidating, confusing, overwhelming, even worse, generic. We surveyed and interviewed over 50 young adults from ages 16 to 35 in North America. 80% of these individuals expressed the great impact a personalized financial guidance would have had on their life. What's the solution, you ask me? Let me introduce to you FlyVest, a financial literacy app that adds the personal to finance. You get the human connection, simplified learning, and the support of a community to help in achieving your financial goals. Let's take a look at what one of our users, Anna, had to say about the mobile app.
All right, great. Can we get a full screen at this point?
I recently discovered the FlyVest mobile app. As someone who often struggles with navigating their finances, I'm eager to.
All right, can I ask you guys to pause, please? This is Mo. Can I ask you guys to pause? I can't really hear the audio, so if whoever's sharing, maybe pause sharing, and then when you share again, click the share sound button, so the audio comes out a bit clearer. So when you share, click share sound if you haven't done that already.
Okay. All right, let me unshare and share again and see.
Because I
Is it
have
that you
before.
hear it at all, or it was just low?
It was low.
It was low.
Just ensure you're clicking share sound when you share. That's all. And then just go ahead. And then lastly, if you can make it full screen, that'd be much better.
Just hit F11 on your keyboard.
Is that any better in sound?
You click the share sound button with the Zoom?
I did.
Okay, so then just go ahead. Let's start again. Make it full screen. Just go ahead. We can hear it.
Okay. Right. The onboarding process.
Yeah, now it was sounding better.
Hi, I'm Anna. I recently discovered the FlyVest mobile app. As someone who often struggles with navigating their finances, I'm eager to explore the features of the FlyVest application. As a new user, I am prompted to either sign up as a learner or a mentor. And I'll be signing up as a learner today, of course. The onboarding process itself is simple and straightforward. To sign up, I am prompted to enter my personal information, such as my name and my email address. Then I get verified. Once verified, I get to tailor my financial learning goals according to my needs. In this case, I am choosing savings, debt reduction, investments, budgeting, and credit score improvement. And with that, I am all done with my setup. Once I'm done with the onboarding process, I am then redirected to the subscription page, in which I can choose from various packages. Because I want the best out of the best and I want the most out of this experience, I will be choosing the premium plan, which includes every single thing from level 1 and 2. In addition, I get access to FlyVest AI Plus, budget template and plans, and 2 coaching sessions per month. With that, I am now a premium member. All right, so this is the moment I've been waiting for. Now that I'm a premium member, I'd like to see what the FlyVest application has to offer. Nice, and did not disappoint. The dashboard itself is rich with educational content, tools, and resources. Take, for example, you can book a one-on-one session with a mentor. Take a look at the community forum to see what everybody else is talking about, where they're at in their financial goals. We have podcast here. On your drive home, listen to a podcast, lounge in front of the TV and watch a video, or use AI, ask AI whenever there's not a human being around. All these is possible within the application. Nice. Let's dig a little bit further into this. Let's book a session with one of the mentors. Okay. All right, so we have a few mentors here. Let's take a look at Adiola. On Adela's page, it talks about who she is, what she's done, her educational background, her experience and achievements. We have a tab here that talks about all the reviews that she's had. Everybody that's used her talking about how great she is of a mentor. And here, we can book a session too. This is exciting. We can pick a date, time, and just like that, I'm booked. All right, so how about instances where IDLI is not available? Let's say it's 2 a.m. I get a notification on my phone that my credit score went down. We can always ask AI, and that's where they have it, Fly AI. We can ask a question and see what answer it can generate. I love this application because it is indeed personalized. It is a personalized one-stop shop financial literacy resource hub for the youth, and I cannot wait to share this with my fellow friends and family. All right, so thank you, Anna. I will now turn it over to our business analyst, Ashley, to go over the market analysis.
All right, thank you, Tammy. So we conducted a comprehensive market analysis, and what sets us apart from our competitors is the personalized financial advice and mentorship catered to young adults. Hold on for the slide.
Sorry, technical difficulties here.
There we go. That's okay. Take your time. All right, here we go. All right, so now we conducted a comprehensive market analysis, and what set us apart from our competitors is a personalized financial advice and mentorship catered to young adults in North America, right? So assuming a conservative $10 per month, we have a serviceable optimal market of 210 million over 12 months. And in the financial analysis that we conducted in the next 5 years, we're expecting to break even within the 3-year mark with a revenue source of subscriptions, affiliate marketing, and ads. Our go-to-market strategy is digital marketing, affiliate marketing with a seamless onboarding process. We will also be leveraging a continuous feedback to give our customers the best quality product in the market. I will now be turning over to our product manager, Diane, to discuss our business models and next steps.
Thank you, Ashley. So you might be wondering what's next for FlyVest. Thanks to Anna, we already have a good idea of some of the features in our MVP. Users will be able to book mentorship sessions, have access to our AI chat platform, and also the community. In 2025, we plan to recruit and onboard more mentors to account for our growing market. We would also have ad placements and affiliate marketing and start to integrate with existing financial apps based on user goals. In 2026, we plan to have our very own in-house financial literacy stack that we plan to market to high schools and colleges so we can meet our younger audience. We also plan to build more corporate and strategic partnerships. In summary, it was a great 10 weeks, but it wasn't without its challenges. Due to time constraints, we weren't able to get as much as we would like from the younger demographic in terms of interviews and surveys. And this is something that we are still working on in future. Also, we had a very diverse team with team members in India, Australia, West Africa, as well as multiple time zones in North America. But we made it work because teamwork makes the dream work. We learned to be resourceful whenever we had lapses. We learned to fail fast and also adapt. We were also able to leverage multiple tools to bring this product to life. This is the dream team that brought this product to life, from ideation, brainstorming, and all the little kinks that went into our research and actually building out the product. I'd like to thank everyone for their contributions, as well as our coach Denise for everything that she did for us. We would like to thank you for listening to our presentation. Join our waitlist. We have Anna as well as 50 other members who are on our waitlist right now and are excited to give FlyVest a go when we do launch. Follow us on our social media, Instagram and X. And also, if you're interested in building out this product and developing it into the application that we would want it to be, please contact us on our email on the screen. This concludes our presentation, and we will now open up the floor for questions.
All right, let's give them a round of applause. Fantastic, fantastic. All right, we'll start with Eiley for questions and feedback.
Thanks, team. Yeah, I've co-founded an educational tech platform a couple of years ago. And what I like about this is you're focused just on one domain, but you're focusing on the customization and personalization to fit the life and the day and attention span of a user. I think one thing we learned is we had quite a number of categories and we overwhelmed users because there were so many categories that they really found it hard to navigate. and we lost customers and acquisition because of it. So I think focusing on financial literacy, you know, obviously there's a lot of players in the market, but absolutely this is still untapped. I don't think anyone that's really cracked this holistically and had really long-term success, given the short attention span of us as humans. But I think that this is really great. I guess the question I just had is, who's going to be able to maintain your content and contribute to your content that you're highlighting on the app?
Thank you. Right now for our MVP, what we've done is based on whatever the user selects as their goals, we're able to then build in algorithms that suggest resources and tools that are tailored to that exact information or goal that they're looking for. Because whenever we were going through our current state customer journey, we found that the pain point was that they were just overwhelmed and they were just trying to achieve a singular financial goal. So that's our initial plan. As you mentioned on the roadmap, we want to have our own in-house resources and tools. That would involve a lot of research, R&D, and that's something that we factored into our financials as well, making sure that we're up to date, up to trend, and we have whatever the users are asking for in terms of that financial literacy resources.
Awesome. Awesome. And I know that you probably only had 6 minutes, but I'm assuming there is a mentor journey and UX design flow.
Yes, there is.
In your background. And also think about one thing that we learned along the journey was how much influencers, parents, teachers, coaches, and peers have on the learning experience as well. So really great job. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, fantastic. Let's go to Dakball and then we'll finish off with Ali.
Okay. Yes, thanks for the presentation again. So I guess the only kind of question I have would be around, I guess, what kind of thought you've given to, I guess, giving financial kind of advice. Are there any risks that you may have identified, and how do you plan to solve that?
Yes, our BAs did an analysis on that. Most of when we surveyed individuals, we found that they were more expressive in the surveys than they were in the interviews, and they really want to talk to a person. They really want to see, you know, a person that has all these achievements. As you saw on our design screen, we had, you know, the mentor information, their credentials, their reviews, and, you know, what qualifies them, right, to give that financial expertise. But we found that our users really, really want to have that individualized attention, and just making sure that we're vetting our mentors that we pull into the platform is how we plan to mitigate that. It's the way financial advice works. It's more so like a suggestion, a guidance, right? Not necessarily the mentors telling people what to do. And that's the plan that we would have. It's, you know, users would have a disclaimer knowing that they're just getting guidance, and it's not an absolute. They don't have to do exactly what was said. And the mentors have been vetted and qualified to give that guidance.
Okay.
Fantastic. Thank you. Any other questions from the group or judges, even the audience? If you have any questions or thoughts, please put in the chat. And then we'll go to Ali Farhad.
I really love the idea. Taking somebody who just graduated and kind of teaching him and showing him the ropes on how to manage their finances. Not only that, giving them person-to-person support, coaching. I think it's an amazing idea. I think you guys will go places. I don't really have any comments, but I do have a couple of questions. Although your user journey is quite clear about where the user is going to start or who is your user, how they're going to sign up, how they're going to be onboarded, it feels like, and I hope this is not the case, it feels like as soon as they're finished the onboarding, they're kind of left to fend for themselves. So as a new user that has no experience with managing financing, I think it's quite a burden to ask that user to, hey, go through these hundreds of coaching profile or coaches and pick one that you think is best. I think there's a possible drop there. Maybe giving them personalized or somebody that they can talk to right away, or somebody to hold their hand for the first 2 weeks or so. I think maybe it will go better. So I hope that's in there someplace.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, is it in there?
Yeah, so what we have right now is recommendations based on their goals, because we believe that we're not trying to give them like a generic, this person is just good with numbers, right? Maybe if their goal is to invest, someone who's like a, really good at that. If their goal is to pay down debt, someone who has gone through, that debt snowball and all of those methodologies and approaches to pay down debt. So what we have right now in place is recommendations. However, that is a great suggestion to just like connect them with somebody right away and just kind of see if the recommendation really fits what they want. But that's something that we would definitely incorporate into the product.
Great. No, that's great to hear. Are you guys thinking about introducing also savings products into the application? So as you know, as a new student, maybe I have some, some loans, some debt. Where can I go to, get help with this? Is this bank offering some sort of credit? Is that being considered as well?
Yes, it's on the roadmap. I don't know if
Okay.
Timmy still has a screen, but that's on the roadmap.
Great. That's great to hear.